These are the most satisfying tactile switches I've tried in quite some time. Personally, I've always been a linear enjoyer, but once in a while a tactile switch hits different. These are the HMX Snowfall switches. HMX are generally known for their linear switches, so it's really interesting to see a HMX tactile switch. PC top housing, modified nylon bottom housing, and a long pole palm stem. The tactility feels really good, so what better way to show it off than on a foamless Neo 75? Here's how it sounds.